I'm going to show you how you can attach your steering wheel cover to your steering wheel. Once it's placed on your steering wheel, you're going to grab your needle and thread your yarn through the eye of the needle. We want to secure it in a few different spaces on the steering wheel, so I'm going to start where it's perpendicular to the actual circumference of the wheel right here. So with my needle, I'm threading the yarn through one side and into the other side of the steering wheel cover, and then I'm going to take these two ends and just tie a really tight double knot. Once you've got that double knotted really tightly, you're going to take your yarn and your needle again, just one side, and you're going to thread it through back and forth from one side of the steering wheel cover to the other. We just really want to make sure that this is as secure as possible. So you can see I'm going through one side here and pulling it out the back, and I'm just going to loop around and do the same thing. So I'm going to go in again from the front and to the back and just keep repeating this process a few times. I typically go like 4 or 5 times. So you can pull your yarn really tight, and then what you're going to do is take those two pieces of yarn, make another double knot, and you can just snip the yarn off from here if you'd like, but I like to actually weave in the ends so that you can't see them, and so it's extra secure. So I'm just going through one way, back the other, and back again. And now we're going to repeat the same process on the other side of the steering wheel. So remember, taking your yarn, threading it through, creating a really tight double knot, and then taking that yarn and just weaving it through a couple times, 3 to 5 times, double knotting it again, and then weaving in the ends. And I like to repeat this process wherever the interior of the steering wheel meets the circumference. So you can repeat this process for about a total of 6 times around the steering wheel cover until it's tight and it won't move whenever you're driving.